Why does everyone have so many yummy treats? I only have one Twix bar. I hope at least it's tasty. Hey, watch where you throw the trash. And what will you do? Stop whining like a girl. I think I can cut this candy into several different parts. This saw will help me out. Ah, get that away from me! Yeah, don't touch us! I wasn't going to. This saw is for my candy bars. It's got nothing to do with you. You still had us scared. Scared? It's just a Twix. And every crumb counts. How delicious. I haven't had Twix in so long. Turns out it's just incredible. It's my turn to eat chocolate. But first, I need to get rid of the candy wrappers. Now I can eat the chocolate bars. Wow, that's an appetite. Are the Twix really that delicious?
Yummy.
Sure. Do you know what chocolate goes perfectly with? Milk! Ah, why is everyone throwing things at me? You have no idea how delicious this is. Chocolate milk and chocolate bars. So much chocolate. What are you looking at? John, you should start eating. I just came up with a great idea. Just eating chocolate bars is boring. It's much cooler to build a huge tower out of them. Nutella is perfect for building with. Wow, John, you're a real builder. It's because I'm a boy. We're super good at building things. And girls are super good at eating the things the guys built. Aha! Wait a minute! What are you doing? Why is the tower shaking? Ah! Sorry, John. The chocolate was just too tasty. It's okay. My helmet saved me. Wow. How many chips are there? A lot. Or not. You have a lot of chips, but I only have one small little chip. I'm gonna need a magnifying glass to see it. It looks very appetizing. I think it's very, very tasty. And very, very small. John, it's your turn. Finally! I was really getting hungry.
What?
Who closes chips like this? I'll never be able to get it open. I'm gonna need a little extra help. There we go. Now I'll show you how to eat chips. Alley-oop. That tastes so good. But... well, now I can eat my goodies. Ow! Enough already! My head's already hurting. Nothing I can do. These chips are too delicious.
Hey! Uh-oh! All right!
Well, my helmet's gonna save me.
What's the matter?
But now, I want to teach her a lesson.
What?
Let's disarm this potato chip castle with a car. How delicious. But that hurts so much.
Come on!
Yeah, Emma, you're out of luck with candy. Thanks a lot, Mr. Obvious.
Uh-oh.
I don't need you to tell me that. But it's not all lost cause. I can make even the smallest candy grow right before your eyes, using modern technology. For example, an iPhone. Wow, I didn't think that was possible. Sure it is. And it's really tasty. John, it's your turn.
Thank you.
I'm gonna eat all these candies in one go. You ready? Yeah, we're ready, but I guess you're not. Hey, but there's more candy on the table. Hands off! Those aren't your Skittles. They belong to me and only me.
Nope. No!
But I can't decide which color to start with. I think I'll solve that issue with a lottery. So which candies will be first? The green ones.
Yummy.
And then I'll just eat everything. What a cool lottery. Maybe it'll give me something too? Wow! A huge candy!
Yummy.
And it has even more candies inside!
Awesome.
Magic lottery. I want that too.
Could you please?
John, can you give me some candy too? Sure. I'm a nice guy. I'll share with everyone.
What?
Once again, everyone was lucky except for me. I only got one gummy eye. John, what are you laughing at? It may be only just one eye, but it's still tasty.
Oh, come on.
I think Emma gave me an idea for a prank.
All right.
Ah! Look what I did! Now I don't have an eye!
What?
Ah! That's so scary! Get it away from me!
What?
Oh! Help! Oh, great. Because of you, Emma, now other people are suffering. What an interesting movie. And what delicious cereal.
Wait a minute.
Ah! Where did this eye come from?
Thank you. Come on. Go.
After that horrible prank, a delicious gummy is just what I need. Agreed. I wouldn't turn down delicious gummies either.
Awesome.
John, what are you waiting for?
Nope.
Nothing. It's just that I have some willpower, unlike you. But you're right, these eyes are delicious. Why don't you share with me?
What? No.
And me too. We're friends. Girls, don't fight. I'm not gonna give any of you anything. Wait, what's happening?
What?
I can see really well now. Ah, John the human eyeball.
Well, I'm almost ready. Oh, there we go.
Let's start with a smoothie. I love it so much. I can do that.
You got it. No problem.
Hey.
Okay, I'm going to start with the greens. It's spinach. Oh,
Oh, please.
next up is the blender. Yeah, you're gonna help me out here.
Man.
Okay, putting it inside. Oh, how do I do that?
It's easy.
Oh, thanks, Jill.
Could you please?
Oh, that's not all of it. Okay, blend, blend, blend. Done. Oh, well, the first part is done. Of course, that's not all of it, too. We'll need something else to make this smoothie tasty.
Nice.
Like, yogurt, for example. Oh, yes. Candy. Jill, that's for you.
Oh, how do you open it? Oh no! It's scattered everywhere!
Oh, how careless. Well, the yogurt will go into the glass. Next is a watermelon. Everyone loves it. I'm only going to need one slice. Jill, this is for you. A slice of watermelon needs to be cut into pieces. Oh, Jill! You must have enjoyed the watermelon too much. Oh well, I hope Vicky will enjoy it too. Done. Now we have some watermelon juice, some straws, and I'm done.
No.
Well, I don't eat all that fruit.
Oh, man.
Ugh, and that too. No, I'm sorry. I wasn't aiming at you. Just wanted to get rid of that. Oh yeah, we're gonna use some sodas. Everyone sure does love them.
Yes.
These sodas need to be poured into a special cup. Well, into different ones, according by color. And then we're gonna turn it into Slurpees. And different layers of it. Some decor. An umbrella and a straw. Amazing!
What?
Okay, now the professional is going to do her job. We're gonna need some strawberries. Blending them all up. We also had some cream there, of course. And now, that will be the base for our fountain. Just look at that. It's both delicious and spectacular. Oh, I'm gonna start with this smoothie.
Cool.
Gummies are delicious. The smoothie itself is pretty good too. I love it. What do we have next? Grandma smoothie? Watermelon. I love it. Well, let's try the smoothie itself. Ugh, this sucks. Not sweet at all. Oh, well, what is that? It looks amazing. This is definitely the winner. Oh yeah, I'm a professional. For round 2, I want some waffles. I'm hungry for a snack.
Grandma, don't get distracted. Oh, waffles? I can do that. Flour should be poured into a deep bowl and mixed with eggs and milk. Of course, you cannot forget about the sugar. All this mixture should be turned into dough. Great. Next, I pour it into a waffle iron.
I've got it.
Time to cook.
Oh, it's so complicated. Even stirring it is hard. Oh yeah, I need a functional blender. Let's mix everything with it. And some Nutella. Well, the mixture is ready. Now let's pour it into the waffle iron. Only mine is a little bigger. Hey, what?
Oh, who cares about the size of the waffle? It's the flavor that counts. My waffles are almost ready to go. Just need some maple syrup on top. Spectacular! Chef? I'm going to do something a little bit more complicated. I need some celery, eggs, and put it all into the blender. Next, I'm going to need flour. It's important not to overdo it. Not too much. And let's blend everything up. And only now I can start making my waffles. Pouring the whole mixture inside and let's wait. Yeah, not for long. Ta-da! All ready to go. Let's put some delicious strawberries on top. Amazing. It's a real work of art.
Yeah, I think my waffles are ready too.
Wow, I want to make a street food style waffle.
Wait, Grandma, hold this.
There we go. A scoop of ice cream.
What?
Actually, a few of them. Some whipped cream. Oh yeah, the more the better. And some sprinkles on top. That's not all. A couple lollipops would be great too. I'll finish it off with some strawberry syrup. Well, it's time for you to try it.
How interesting! Everything is so beautiful. Look at these lips. They're funny. Amazing. But the waffle is the most important part.
And it's great and very unusual.
Now let's try Grandma's waffles.
Cool.
Also very tasty. Chef Annie, look! A little fishy. Let's try it. It's really delicious. What about the rest? Ew, what is that? Now, the winner is Jill!
Oh yes, thank you.
I got it. Now I want a burger. Can you surprise me?
Easy. Of course. Burger? I've never made them before. Well, everything has to be done for the first time. Let's try it. First, we need to fry the patty. It's an essential part of any burger. Next, the bun. And some, toppings, I guess. Oh, don't touch that. I think I'm going to make a cutlet myself. First, we're gonna grind meat and fry it up.
Amen.
The patty is ready. Now it's time to pull out the gem of my collection. A golden bun. Oh, just look at that. It's hard to even look at it. Oh, Grandma, I don't need that. It's too cheap. I'm gonna use some moldy cheese.
Yahoo!
Oh yeah, that's what real luxury is all about. Perfect.
Now me.
I need to start by pouring some oil. Wait, what? The more the better. Oh, you've got too much oil. It's going to splash. No big deal. A yellow jumpsuit instead of a gas mask. And I'll be safe. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Hey, you're not the only one here. Well, what am I supposed to do now? I guess I'm gonna have to make a sweet burger. I'm going to need a whole bunch of different goodies for it. First, some liquid marshmallow. Then, adding some dye to it. This is going to be so much better. I will dip a bun into this mixture. And some sweets. The more, the better. Vicky, are you ready to choose?
Come on!
Oh, let's go.
I'm always ready. Let's start with the expensive burger from Chef. I wonder what it tastes like. I don't need a golden bun. Tomatoes are good.
Nice.
Wait, why does the burger smell so bad?
What?
Is that the cheese? Ugh, disgusting! refreshing.
Oh, mamma mia!
The sweet burger is awesome. But I'm kind of tired of sweets, to be honest. I want to eat something more serious, and that's Grandma's burger. Now that's a different story. That's the winner.
Oh, me? Oh, thank you so much!
I decided I want a burger. Please make it.
I can handle it easily.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, well, I need some minced meat for the patty. Let's take the most delicious one and fry it up. Barbie?
Oh, these buns will ruin the whole body. Okay.
Oh, I'll make an apple burger then. Oh, okay. Jane likes this, so I'm going to add some more ingredients. Okay, some pickles.
Oh, what is that?
Ugh, gross.
Give me, please.
Can I try one too? Ugh. Okay, that's a cold cucumber. So delicious. I want to eat them all the time. I'll only eat pickles from now on. Why didn't anyone tell me about it? It's amazing. Of course. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna put them on the burger. And, of course, some juicy tomatoes. Some onion. Some cheese. And we need sauces. Mayonnaise will definitely work here. Okay. What about you?
I'll just get everything I need and get to cooking. Let's cut up the pineapple, strawberries, and kiwi. Of course, some orange too. I'll have a very healthy fruit burger, after which nothing will happen to your body. And look, it's amazing.
Ken, what about you? Oh, no. Okay, right. Why cook? I'm a man. It's not for me. I can just order a burger. Hi, Barbie. Oh, yeah. That is huge. I don't think Jane will ever be hungry again. Well,
Wow!
Wow, that's so cool. What is that? Let's try it. Oh, Grandma, it's delicious. What is that? Looks like a fruit burger with my favorite fruit. They're so tasty, but it's not really what I wanted. And now it's time for the giant burger. What do you taste like? Oh, it's so huge and delicious. Well, I pick you as the winner.
oh, baby, thank you.
Now make me a milkshake, please.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I can do it.
Wow, that's a dish for me. I know where I'm going to start. I'll definitely need 1 scoop of my favorite vanilla ice cream. Putting it in the blender, adding some strawberries, some milk. Wow, you can pour it in? I've never seen what milk looks like. Oh, let's mix it all up. It'll all be ready soon.
Now I'm going to show you Kent's signature men's milkshake. We're putting on some goggles, getting our favorite tools, and Oreo. I need to smash you into complete crumb. Oh, what? Did you see how I did that?
Yeah!
Now some chocolate ice cream in a blender, some milk. It's so white. We can turn it on. Hey, isn't it working? Oh, right. Oh, what would you do without me? Cool. And that surprises you? I should start making a smoothie. I'll start with a pumpkin, cutting off the top and putting it into a blender. Now that's amazing. I need a banana. I'm gonna peel it and put it there and in my mouth. Okay, one is enough. Some orange. What was that? Oh, my eyes! Oh, Ken, there's a tissue for your tears. Thank you, Grandma. You're welcome, handsome. Where was I? Orange juice. Let's blend it all up.
Awesome!
And my smoothie is definitely ready. I need to pour it into a pretty glass. And some whipped cream on top. It's so soft, like clouds.
Oh!
And of course, some chocolate. I love liquid chocolate.
Let's cut off the tip and we can start decorating. Oh, it's beautiful. Almost forgot about the pink rings. They remind me of little donuts. And here's a real donut, some cotton candy, and, of course, a straw. I'm already pouring my cold chocolate shake into a glass, too. Done. And my smoothie is ready, too. Pouring it into a glass, and baby Jane, come on.
I'll pick the best one. This looks interesting and it's pretty interesting to the taste too. Not bad. What is that? Ew! Why is it so sour? I didn't ask for a sour shake. Maybe this one will be good. Let's see. Oh, my favorite donut!
Wow.
Yummy! This smoothie is definitely the best!
Come on!
Yay! I've won! Now make me a cupcake.
Oh, it's a piece of cake?
I like it too.
I don't really… I'm going to make the best cupcakes ever. We need to start with an egg. That's actually easy. Correct. What else? Okay, let's see. And now we are going to mix it all up. This hurt.
Ken, you have flour on your face. And I'm making my dough. It's pink. Perfect. Pouring it all over the hearts. Now, sending it to the oven.
Oh, okay. My cupcakes are classical. What is that stuff? Chocolate in powder form? That's horrible.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're putting it into the molds. And let's set it off to bake. My pink cupcakes are ready. All that's left is to decorate. For that, I need some whipped cream. And some glittery sparkles. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's amazing. Oh, my cupcake smells so good. I need to decorate that with homemade vanilla buttercream, a couple of berries, and… perfect! I'm all set! Ken! Your cupcakes! Oh no! That mirror distracted me! We're going to fix it now. Okay.
Everything looks so cool. What is that? They're gross, not trying that. Wow! These berry ones look great! And they're so good! Grandma, amazing! What's next for me? Wow, these are so beautiful! Delicious! But I have to pick the best ones. And let's see. These ones, Grandma!
Oh, finally! Huh?
Yeah!